What's going on, guys? Sam from Nightrun here. Right now, editing a video. Damien's with me. Sorry we haven't been able to make videos at all in a while. Got my camera taken from me. Can't talk about it due to legal reasons.
Yeah.
Legal reasons.
At least for right now.
Yeah, for right now. You guys will get the whole update now. You'll see it too, because I got some dope footage. Let me tell you, we got some dope footage.
I wasn't there, but I'm glad I wasn't there. I'm not gonna say I wish I could have been there, because I don't.
Don't forget to subscribe, and I hope you guys enjoy the video. Should I really hit him with the intro right now? So we just got a new camera. Pretty sick. You think it's sick, Tillman?
Yeah. 350? Worth it.
350 bucks. You guys like that shit? Check that out. Check that out, huh? Anyway, came with a couple lenses and shit. So back in the game, baby. Thanks to Tillman for driving me to pick it up. Thanks to Mom for supporting my YouTube channel. Financing another camera. So now we got two cameras. But honestly, thank God I got this thing, or you guys wouldn't be getting shit. Dude, I fuck with my Uber sticker. Alright guys, next day. I got Andy with me.
What's going on, my fellows and
Fellas.
So last night, we were thinking, why does this thing run off starter fluid and not gas? We're gonna find that out right now. So the fuel pump is primary. It has spark, it has compression. Does it have fuel though?
I think it's injectors. DCU's good. The wiring, I did all the wiring myself, so I'm not 100% sure if it's dial, but I think it is for the most part, honestly. Everything seems to be working.
It's pretty much a dial.
It had two upper harnesses in it, and it had a dual overhead cam ECU in the car.
Look at that fucking valve cover. That shit looks so nice.
That's just clean, huh?
Yeah, dude, I like it.
Alright guys, so we're here with the car. Basically what we're gonna end up doing right now is we're gonna be trying to test the injector. So since I upgraded the fuel pump, it's still not working properly. Still not getting gas to the motor. So what I'm thinking is going on here is my injectors are fucked.
So what we're gonna do is we're gonna get a light tester. We're gonna test each harness and see if there's light. If there's no light, then definitely has to do with this right here.
Yeah, I'm not sure what's going on there. Anyway guys, before we start testing our injectors and stuff, I have this little piece here because I couldn't find the actual little hose that goes there, but I found it in my closet. We got it chilling on top of the car right now. So that's gonna be put on this motor right now before we do anything else. So right there on the intake plenum, I actually had this piece of like whatever the fuck chilling. But we're gonna replace it with that OEM piece right there. So we got this intake boot back on. It's better than having these
Aftermarket
little
shits.
fucking things, yeah. Anyway guys, now what we're gonna do is we're gonna take off the fuel rail, pull out one injector, hook up the light tester to the plug, and then while it's out, I guess we're also gonna see if gas comes out of my fuel rail.
Right now he's getting sockets ready for the fuel rail right here.
Unplug the injectors.
Make sure you guys get them in order. So we're using a 12 to take out the fuel rail bolts right here. Add it to my phone right here.
Alright guys, so the rail is up. There are my injectors. I pulled one. Alright guys, so before I try and prime the system, what I'm gonna do is I'm actually just gonna unplug my fuel pump so I'm not shooting gas everywhere. And you guys probably can't see this, but the wire is right here, so I'm gonna just pull that shit really quick. Nice.
Alright, so I'm gonna test out the left plug first. We're gonna see if there's a signal with the light right here. Hold on. Oh, there's light. There's light. Yep. Alright guys, so we got light.
The second one is right here.
You ready?
Okay, that one's getting signal.
This one's getting signal. Yep.
That one's getting signal as well. And the last one?
Last and final one. Okay.
Dude, wow, perfect.
So the harness is good. So it's not the harness.
If you guys are ever confused trying to diagnose your car, I highly recommend just getting something as simple as a light tester or a multimeter. Just a light tester or multimeter are enough to save your life when it comes to spending money on parts and diagnosing your whip.
And taking all that shit apart for no reason.
Exactly. Alright guys, now that we know that the car is sending power to the injectors, we have one plugged in here. I'm gonna prime it and we're gonna see if the injector opens up.
One way we can test it too, it's gonna be the dirty way, but you turn on that fuel pump and we see if fuel comes out through the injectors. Just put these all back on the fuel rail and see what the fuck's going on, dude.
Alright guys, so right now what I'm doing is I'm plugging in these last injectors. I plugged the fuel pump back in, so we're gonna see if this shoots any fuel.
Okay, so did you prime it?
Yeah.
No fuel came out.
Did you hear it?
I heard it, but there's no fuel coming out.
Watch this. All right, guys, so we just found out we're not actually getting fuel pressure to the rail. So what I'm thinking now, maybe the fuel sending and fuel return line got mixed up. That would definitely cause no gas getting to the rail. We're gonna try swapping these two around really quick.
See what happens.
Hopefully it goes smoothly. All right, guys, so we did some research, cleaned up my storage room. Basically what we think is going on here. Keep in mind, guys, this thing has a brand new fuel pump in it. So I'm pretty sure the reason it's not getting any fuel to the rail is because of my fuel pressure regulator. So guys, we're gonna take the hoses off the fuel pressure regulator. And then after that, I'm literally gonna prime the car and gas should come fucking flying out of that bitch. So, would it be in here? This one would be full of gas, huh?
Yeah.
Cause this one is this.
The return?
Yeah, that's the sending. Okay, yeah. So, big update. We got great news. So, we were wondering, okay, my car's leaning out. Why the hell is it leaning out? Only runs out starter fluid. Wouldn't run off anything else. So, we took this off, started priming it, nothing. Took apart the fuel pressure regulator, took the hoses off, still nothing. Then I was like, fuck this shit. We came all the way to the back, took the hoses off the fuel pump and everything. Keep in mind, we installed this new fuel pump. Anyway, Andy, you wanna go prime the car for me?
Yeah, I'll show you exactly what you need.
Show me exactly what's going on here.
So two things. First, there's either no gas in there, or the inner hose in the fuel pump, which is common, just came off, right?
Yep. Nothing. So since there's no gas coming out, we're thinking that the inner hose on the fuel pump isn't on there. Or what could be happening is my car is literally out of gas right now. Like out of gas. And I know you guys are gonna be like, oh, you should just go put more gas in it. Again, we don't have a car. We cannot get gas.
I have a shell, unless you guys want to help me push it to the gas station back.
Anyway, guys, we're gonna be taking the pump out of the car, making sure that the hose is still attached. So
We'll keep you updated.
all right, guys, so this might just be the most stupid shit you've ever seen. So my gas tank's totally empty, right? We tested this out of the gas. It makes a noise and shit. So here we have some gas. We're gonna put the fuel pump in it, and we're gonna see if it squirts.
All right, let's do it. Make this bitch squirt.
It's all plugged in and shit, so.
Yeah.
What the fuck? It's not even like sucking gas, bro. Come look at this. What?
So we found the issue. It's not that it's low on gas. This is a piece of shit. Okay, two things, bro.
All right.
It could be an electrical issue with the harness of the fuel pump, who knows? Or it could just be that we need to redo the fuel pump and make sure everything's sealed up. Remember? I did that with George, and then the second time it just started up. Like everything looked fine. I just redid it.
All right, guys, we're redoing the fuel pump. Andy and I just redid the whole fuel pump. Yes, dude. Yes, turn it off. Turn it off.
Oh shit! No way, dude.
Dude.
What the fuck?
Yeah,
We did this shit.
We did that shit.
What the fuck? We really fixed this shit, bro. What the fuck?
So it might run today. You might run today.
It might turn on today.
Oh my god. Oh my god. All right.
Bro, hurry the fuck up.
No, bro. I'm so excited right now,
Dude. I wish there was like a speed button for
You
that.
guys should have seen us. We were just smiling like fucking idiots. Literally, I'm so fucking hyped right now, guys. Because if this thing doesn't start, I'm gonna be like upset as fuck. But it's good, you know. It's good. It's good. Oh shit! Is that the backpack there?
Oh, what's this? Is he gonna start?
Oh, hopefully, bro.
Find out next
Hold the
time,
fuck up.
Hey, what the?
Yeah, damn fool! What the fuck?
What the fuck,
Shit's about to be crazy. Plug that shit
Give
in.
me a light up in this motherfucker.
Hook that shit
The
up.
ground cable.
A whole bunch of shit.
Let me know when we're good.
Try.
All right, who wants to take this camera? All
Wait, hold on. Holy shit, dude.
right, you guys ready?
Yeah. Keep it going.
Oh, she's spinning.
Spinning what?
Nah, it just smells like oil.
But it started.
Technically, I guess, yeah. Dude, it smells like hella oil. It's probably my turbo. Should I just keep going?
Keep going.
God damn.
Sounds
Sounds like it's misfiring, huh?
Yeah, it's definitely misfiring. But dude, your shit runs.
Your shit. It just needs some. It just needs a few repairs.
At least we can drive it onto a trailer. Sheesh.
Bro, this thing started.
Damn, fool.
Bro. Holy shit.
This shit really just started.
All that shit was footwork. Having it hold at that certain RPM, that was all footwork.
I bet
as
you-
soon as I let go, it would drop them.
I bet you it does need a fuel pressure regulator.
And the reason why it's like idling like that and shit is probably because we need to fix all those vacuum leaks and shit.
Yeah, the sensors and shit.
Yeah,
Like, who knows if my math is
Right
good?
now we did the electric. Now we just need to do like the
Mechanical.
Like for example, like the no, that's emissions. Like for
Like,
example,
the fuel pressure regulator is probably shit. Like, it can't hold its idle, you know?
so after.
But, like, dude, it just straight up started.
I was trying so hard to hold the idle at like
Bro, it just
one
straight
rack.
up
me to try it
started.
Yeah, you can try it.
Okay.
It'll probably start up.
I mean, you could try it. All right, turn it off.
So next up, what we gotta do is take that intercooler out, take that shit out, put the regular header on.
Yeah.
Even if it runs on open headers, just put it on.
Damn.
What we tell you, we're gonna get the shit started. Inspiration.
I'm stoked as fuck right now.
No shit.
That's camera, Simon.
Thanks, Tillman.
Wow.